Good day, good people. This is a boy 8 minutes here. You know. Shout out to my YouTube channel. If I start channel, yeah. At last, we're growing, good people. We're growing, but I just wanna shout out to some platforms that are actually worth it out there. You get me? So there are a lot of people that are helping people out there. You get me? So you're struggling actually for uh, getting that advanced professional features, unlocking all the things that you actually wish they could be unlocked, like subscriptions, based on monetizations whatsoever. So guys, I would advise you to actually visit a platform called Fiverr. Yeah, it is a great platform there in ever. You feel me? So I went through it. So yeah, as you can so see, while I'm actually telling you this, you can so see my research here on the other side. Research. I was going through Fiverr, going through it. Then I came across yeah that group called I'm not so sure they actually grow it, they actually grow your channel. So yeah, and I'm helped by that person. I'm across yeah, I'm across there. Yeah, but yeah, they deliver. They do deliver. So yeah, it's a great thing. It's a great thing. So shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out. Good people, look what you see here on what I actually recorded on my phone. Please support that group. Support that group. Good people, please support that group. Please. I promise you, you're gonna get the finest results therein. So yeah, you won't regret nothing. You won't regret nothing. It's your choice to actually make your own options based on payments whatsoever. So yeah, do such things. So come on, support Bill, support. Guys,